Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is an update video on GALA.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and this is going to be an update video on GALA, and this is not financial advice. We're just going to be going through what's been happening with GALA recently and what to expect and how much the price impact has happened recently.
But before getting to this video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed. So if you could press this red subscribe button, it would really help out a lot. Thank you very much, and let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, it is 80% down from its all-time high. It was almost 3.5 cents, but right now it is only, and right now it's 7/10 of a cent. So there's 85% gains to be had there potentially, of course, if it does go back to the all-time high. So the market cap, when it was at its all-time high of 3.5 cents, it was 230 million, give or take, market cap, and right now it's only 50 million. So basically, we'd need about $180 million to flow into GALA for it to go back or potentially break its all-time high. Which isn't too much for crypto, to be honest, at all.
As you know from previous videos, we've talked about why GALA was a very good cryptocurrency. So if you do want to understand more about it, just click on the link in the description so you can get to know more about it. But when you go on and get GALA, it will basically show you how much it costs in Ethereum. As you can see here, price of GALA nodes used to be 3 point something Ethereums. I think it was 3 Ethereums. And now it's doubled in price, so it's 60 Ethereum. So if you had to calculate how much that costs, it's around £9,000. And if you're willing to invest £9,000 into something that potentially will be big and also earns you passive income too, then in my opinion, this would be a perfect project for that. And this is not financial advice, obviously. But yeah, do your own financial research. And you can pay with Ethereum, or if you wanted to, you would just click on select the currency. You can also pay with either GALA or BAT or Ethereum, depending on which one you want to pay with. But I always recommend Ethereum because that's, in my opinion, the most safest one to pay with and least volatile out of all the three.
So the really good thing about GALA Games actually is, as you can see, 2 days ago they did a node pre-proposal. So basically what this is, they're asking the GALA Games community what they want to improve the structure of GALA Games. So they've literally given out the structure to all of the community in there. So basically, yeah, the more you contribute and the more stable that contribution is, the better the reward. So you're helping yourself by uh, making GALA better.
But this is still a viable investment, in my opinion, even after the price drop. You can, if you wanted to buy it now, because you weren't even paying with GALA, you'd probably be paying with Ethereum. So even if you paid with Ethereum after the price drop, you wouldn't really be affected much because you're still making passive income from the daily chests that they have. And it equivalates to be around £1,200 at the current market price. You'll be making every month, which is good if you think about it from an £8,000 to £9,000 investment from one GALA node software. And yeah, I'll still give this a 9.5 out of 10.
Alright, so this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, please press this red subscribe button and also like the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.